Hello students, this is your teacher Padma. Today we will be doing the revision of the chapter Commercial and Non-Commercial Activities. Our life is built around work. Every day we are busy in some activity or another throughout the day. Whether we talk about brushing teeth, taking bath, eating breakfast, all these activities in which we are engaged from morning to evening are known as human activities. All those activities which human beings undertake to satisfy human wants are known as human activities. These activities continue throughout the life because wants are never ending. Human activities has been classified into two categories: economic or commercial activities and non-economic or non-commercial activities. Economic activities refer to all those human activities which are undertaken to earn a living and thereby satisfy human wants. The main objective of these activities is to earn income and create wealth. For example, a teacher teaches in a school and a shopkeeper sells goods to his customers. Whereas activities which are undertaken to satisfy social, religious, cultural, and sentimental requirements are called non-economic activities. The object of these activities is not to make monetary gain or earn a reward. For example, a mother looks after her children, or a student donates blood. So, what is the difference between commercial and non-commercial activities? The main objective of the commercial activities is to earn a living and acquire wealth, whereas the main objective of non-commercial activities is to obtain some sort of personal satisfaction. In commercial activities, money income is expected from these activities, whereas in non-commercial activities, money income is not expected from these activities. Commercial activities are directly related to income and wealth, whereas non-commercial activities are not related to income and wealth. In commercial activities, result can be measured in terms of money, whereas in non-commercial activities, result cannot be measured in terms of money. Now moving on to the types of commercial activities. Commercial activities has further been classified into three broad categories: business, profession, employment. Business includes all those economic activities which are concerned with production and exchange of goods and services with the object of earning profit. Examples of business are a factory, a shop, a transport company. The term profession means an occupation which involves application of specialized knowledge and skills to earn a living. The persons who are engaged in profession are called professionals. They render personal services of a specialized nature to their clients and they receive fee for their services. Examples of professions are medical profession, law profession, and accounting profession. Employment means an economic activity where people work for others in exchange for some remuneration. The persons who work for others are called employees. The persons or organizations which engage others to work for them are called employers. The remuneration given by an employer to his employee is known as a wage or salary. The employee performs the work assigned to him by his employer as per the terms and conditions of the employment. For example, a doctor may be employed in a hospital, or a chartered accountant may be working as an accountant in a company.